and welcome back to Keto Homestead with Jess. We have Barrett with us today, and we have fun mail. Super excited. We're going to open this box up. This is from Jake Hudson. I will put his link down below so you can go check him out. But we are going to open this box. Woohoo! Try to hold this up so you can see what I'm doing. We got a gift for you. Enjoy your gift from Jake Hudson. Thank you, Jake. And it came in a cute little bag, a little gift bag. Let's see what we got. Woo! Look at that. That's awesome. Can you guys see that? Thank you so much, Jake. That will definitely really help us out. It's a smart thermo hydrometer for the greenhouse. And get this set up in the greenhouse. Awesome. Let me try to get this open. Maybe. Oops. Got stuff falling out at me. We got batteries. Your journey begins now. Little card. And it's got, how cute is that? Look at that little book. It's a user manual. How adorable. All right, we got our batteries. Look at that. Isn't that so cute? That will definitely help us out. Let's get these batteries in here. Maybe if I can get the plastic off them. All right. Make sure we put them in correctly. Now where did I put the back? Oh, there's the back. Awesome. I'll have to definitely check out the user manual and make sure. What was that? Oh, you turned it to Celsius. Turn it back. It's kind of hard to see. There. See, it's in Celsius. Now it's in Fahrenheit. There we go. Definitely want the Fahrenheit. It says it's 80 degrees. 80 degrees in here with 57% humidity. That's awesome. What a great gift, Jake. Thank you so much. Again, if you don't know Jake Hudson, I'll put the link down below. Check him out and let him know that Keto Homestead with Jess sent you by. Again, Jake, thank you so much.
Thanks, Jake.
And until next time, stay happy, healthy, and safe.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.